Hi, I'm Debbie, and welcome to Wildberry Cottage Homestead.
Homemade laundry detergent. We will have the ingredients and amounts posted throughout the video for those interested in trying it out themselves. So let's get started. Every laundry detergent starts with a soap. Our soap of choice is Ivory. This is the same bar you use to clean your skin with. You can use any bar soap to make laundry detergent as long as it doesn't contain lotion. That means no Dove, no Tone, etc. We use Ivory because it is the mildest soap we could find to make laundry detergent. The laundry detergent that are used and manufactured that you purchase in the stores are too harsh for sensitive skin. Even the free and clear versions can irritate your skin. At least they do ours. We have eczema in our family. And this has been a lifesaver for us since we started using it. Okay, so you're going to want to grate 2 bars of Ivory soap into a large boiler. We bought the grater at Dollar Tree and use it only for making soap projects. Shouldn't take too long to grate it down. The older bars take longer since some of the moisture wears out of them naturally over time. Medium to low heat on the stove. Add 4 to 6 cups water. The heat will melt the soap shavings over time. This process usually takes about 15 minutes. Make sure you do not let it rage boil. You do this by stirring frequently. While the soap mixture is melting, you can take your 5-gallon bucket and add 1 or 2 gallons of hot water in. This prepares the bucket for once the soap mixture is ready to go into the bucket. That way you're not pouring scalding hot mixture into a plastic container. So there we go, putting in our 1 to 2 gallons of hot water, prepping our bucket for our soap. Once all the shavings have melted down, add 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, of Arm & Hammer washing soap. I like to add it while heating. This helps break it down faster and prevents the soap and water from separating while it rests on your shelf. Once the mixture turns gelatinous with plenty of stirring, you want to take it off the heat and add it to the 5-gallon bucket. If you want to brighten your clothes or need something to help with stains, now's the time to add the borax. We use half strength, 4 ounces, which is half a cup of borax per 5-gallon bucket. Borax can be an irritant, so you might have to play with the amount. Also, borax is a brightener, so if it can fade your colored clothes after time. Now, to make sure that we get this really good and mixed together, I'm using my husband's paddle that's attached to a drill. For me, it's just faster, but you have to be careful because it can get messy if you're not paying close attention. Now, once you have all your ingredients in the 5-gallon bucket, you want to start adding water. Hot water is preferable. This keeps everything nice and melted. Once the water level reaches about 4 inches from the top, now you can take your blender, mix, paddle, long spoon, whatever you have to stir the mixture together, and stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you want to put a lid on it and let it rest for about 24 hours once you get it to about 4 inches from the top. The next day you want to open the lid and re-stir. The detergent will look like Jello. You want it to look like this. That means that it's done what it's supposed to do overnight. But we want to make it look more like liquid. So we stir, stir, and stir. You can use many things to store your laundry detergent in. You could get a pump for your 5-gallon bucket that attaches to the top. You can put it into old laundry containers you saved back when you were using them. We prefer mason jars. They store nicely by allowing us to stack them. Also, each jar gives us enough headspace to shake the container easily before use. My advice using this product with an HE machine is this. HE machines do not do well with high sud soaps. If you are super concerned about this, don't use homemade laundry detergents. But let me add this. High sud soaps leave a film in the machine's pipes. Fabric softener can and will clean the film off. That is why we use fabric softener with our homemade laundry detergent. And yes, we have a HE machine. We clean out the bottom tub tray monthly. Never had a problem. I want to thank you today for joining us here on Wildberry Cottage Homestead. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you, and as always, have a blessed day.